welcome back to my channel. So today I have an Ariana Grande makeup tutorial, and I know I have a bunch of Ariana Grande inspired makeup tutorials on my channel, but I am obsessed with her new song, Thank You Next, and I was like, oh my gosh, and I was looking at her Instagram and I noticed that she had like this burgundy, really cute, like maroonish mauve eye, and I was like, you know what, I could do this tutorial with the new palettes that I got. I have a bunch of new makeup and I wanted to try it out with you guys. So today I use the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I also use the Naked Cherry Urban Decay palette, and I use a bunch of new stuff. So I wanted to do this tutorial, and also I use these Cover FX glitter drops that are super duper glowy and created this highlighted look. The color that I use is Nova, and they are limited edition, so definitely check it out. It's in the description box below. I also have her little sweetener sweatshirt, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wear it and do this tutorial because I feel like it's a perfect look. And if you guys are new to this channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do beauty, fashion, and fitness videos, so if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button below. So without further ado, let's do this Thank You Next Ariana Grande makeup tutorial. As always, I have nothing on my face. I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to prime with this eyeshadow primer. This is the Tinted Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base by NARS. It's so amazing. This is the color Medium. And then I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Nude palette. This is the first time that I'm using it. I am so excited to use it. It's so gorgeous, so I cannot wait to use it. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to take this Morphe 200 brush, and I'm going to take the first color Bare, and I'm going to put it all over my lids. And that way we'll create just like this cute neutral base. And then I'm going to take this color Teddy, and I'm going to be using this Time Los Angeles brush. It's like a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to put it on my lids a little bit more than halfway up, so 3/4 of the way. And this will create like this background color. The shadows on this palette are so pigmented. I love it. And then I'm going to take the Huda Beauty brush. This is the Build and Blend brush. It's dual-sided. And I'm going to take the smaller side, and I'm going to take the color Tickle right here. It's like a really pretty mauve pink, light mauve pink color. And I'm going to take that and put it in the front half of the eyelid. And this will allow the eye to be less orangey brown and more towards the pink. And then I'm going to take the other side of the brush. This is the Build and Blend, and I'm going to take this purple color right under here. It's like a little bit darker than the last color. And I'm going to take that color, and draw literally an outer V very carefully with that purple. And then we created that shape. I'm gonna wipe a little bit of fallout. I have a heavy hand, so every time I do eyeshadow, it's in a bunch of like matte colors. I kind of like go in with it. You know, that's why I always do my eyes first. So cute. Now I'm gonna take a pencil brush. This is the Morphe E18, and I'm gonna take the pink color right here called Spanked. And I'm going to go over the outer V more intensely. And then I'm going to take the purple color right here called Love Bite with the same brush, and I'm going to go over the outer V again. And this will create this dramatic mauve eye that Ariana has. And then I want to go a little bit darker, so I'm going to take this Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, and there's also a brush that comes in that one as well, so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to take the pencil brush side, and I'm going to take the color Devilish right here. It's like a dark brownish maroon color. It's a dark maroonish color. And I'm going to go over the outer V, focus more on the lash line. And I'm going to use the other side of the brush to kind of just blend everything together. And then lastly, for the eyeshadows for now, I'm going to take this brown color, this dark brown color, and I'm going to go over the outer V, but really just focus on the bottom, because over that the wing liner is going to go. So I'm just going to kind of like go like this. It's really just the bottom half of the outer V. And then I'm gonna use this big round brush by Sigma to kind of just blend the whole look together, because you know, I've like built a bunch of colors on top of each other and I just kind of want everything to just kind of tie together. And then I'm gonna take this Huda Beauty Eyes Build and Blend brush again, and taking the smaller side, I'm gonna take this color Raw, and I'm going to kind of take it back to the warm, because I feel like now it's a little bit too pinky and I want to kind of have like a little bit of brown. So I'm gonna like fill in parts that are like missing or too pinky. I'm actually gonna go back into the outer V and kind of like fill in the inside of it with that color. I love this Huda Beauty palette a lot. It's so pretty. Okay, so now we have the eyes. Let's go into the face. I'm gonna take Glam Glow's Water Burst for my moisturizer. This is an amazing moisturizer to really hydrate your face. I love it. I love the way it feels, and it's light and it smells really good too. And then for the eye cream, I'm gonna be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, and this is the eye cream. It also is in a blue container, kind of like the Glam Glow one. And I'm gonna lightly put it under my eyes. And today, oh my gosh, I have a little pimple if you guys noticed. I don't know where that came from. Obviously, whoa. I'm gonna correct my under eyes a little bit, and then And then for my primer, I'm gonna be using the Tatcha Silk Canvas. And for my foundation, I'm gonna be using my favorite. This is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the color Warm Beige. While my foundation is still wet, I'm going to be doing my concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love this concealer so much. In the shade Light Medium. This is the holiday one, so it has a little charm. So cute. Look at this little flamingo. Obsessed. So I'm going to be doing that. Do this. I'm going to be doing under my eyes. To set my concealer, I'm going to take this Lawless Seal the Deal Loose Setting Powder. The color that I'm going to be using today is called Brightening Translucent. Normally I use the Classic Translucent, but this one is a little bit pinkier and I want to try it out, and I feel like Ariana's under eyes are actually a little bit pinkier in this photo. And I'm going to take this MAC 138S brush, and I'm going to take this powder and I'm gonna place it on top of my concealer. I like to kind of mix it up. The concealer that I was using is more of a golden tone. It's always fun to like mix cool tones and warm tones. I kind of did that with the eyeshadow too. And it's cool to like kind of like give yourself a different look. Sometimes if I wear like cool toned eyeshadows, people will be like, wow, you look so different today. Like what's so different? And I'm like, oh, I'm just wearing cool toned eyeshadows. Only a makeup person will really get that, or like a color person, or like I guess someone in the creative industry, because not everyone will get it. They'll be like, what's cool tone, you know? So anyone that's into colors and stuff will get it. So for the brows, I'm gonna actually take this Benefit Cosmetics Highbrow Glow Pencil, and I'm going to draw or highlight under my eyebrows. Since we're doing a ponytail and a big winged line, we can go really dramatic with under the eyebrows and blend out under the brows. I'm going to take Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I'm going to fill in my brows. So how I filled my brows in, I actually used the darkest color, which is number 6, but I'm gonna kind of lighten it up. So I'm gonna take Benefit's Gimme Brow in number 3, and I kind of want to go for like a thicker brow look. So I'm gonna like take that and kind of like fill it in. So I'm gonna take this Sigma Angled Brow Brush, and then I'm gonna take this amazing BH Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette. And I'm gonna take this brow gel right here. It's like the second color. And I'm gonna kind of like fill in my brow and create like a fun shape. I feel like pencils can create that, but like a gel or like a brow wax makes the brows even more defined. So now I'm gonna go back into the eyes, but I'm gonna create a buildup of the wing liner. So I'm gonna take this Jouer Essential Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm gonna take this angled brow brush again, and I'm gonna take this dark brown color. This color is actually called Dark Chocolate. And with this color, I'm gonna kind of create a winged line. And then I'm gonna do it on this side. Really be careful so it doesn't like fall on your face because we did the face already. I've been really loving a gel line look. This is the Sigma Wicked Standout Eyes. This is a black gel liner. And I'm gonna take this wing liner brush from Sigma. And then for the tail end, I'm gonna take this Pure Cosmetics On Point eyeliner. I was like, oh my gosh, I was a little bit worried that I wasn't gonna get it right, so I had to do one side first, you know, to get it right. So now I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna actually go on top of that eyeliner a little bit more with the Jouer Dark Chocolate color. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that color. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna close the waterline. I'm gonna take MAC's Graph Black and really go in my waterline to close the eye. And then I'm gonna be using Boxycharm's Big Tease Mascara for my top lashes. I'm gonna use it for my bottom lashes too, but later. And then I'm gonna be putting on these lashes. These are the Lily lashes in Mykonos. I'm gonna go back into the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna take the color Tickle right here, and I'm gonna take the M326 brush, and I'm gonna smoke out under my eyes. And then I'm gonna take the color Spanked right here and go over that color. And then I'm gonna go into the Naked Cherry palette. Oh, and then I'm gonna take the color Devilish, smoke at the bottom. And then I'm gonna take this Sigma Airbrush blender. And then I'm gonna go back into the Jouer palette, and I'm gonna take the color Dark Chocolate and smoke out my lower lash line even more. I love it. I know it's really, really smoky. It's probably smokier than Ariana, but we went in with these shadows. So now I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna take this Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. I'm gonna contour here, here, my forehead, and my jawline. And then I'm gonna take this Morphe M572. Take a little bit of the stick and snatch my nose. I'm gonna actually take this Morphe G36 brush, and I'm gonna take this Benefit Hoola bronzer. Haven't used this bronzer for a long time, even though this used to be my go-to. So I'm gonna go back into it because I know I love this color. I'm gonna be using these Cover FX glitter drops in the color Nova. It is so glittery and so cute and so gold. I love these glitter drops, they're everything. This highlighter is so amazing. Literally it drops, you just need a little tiny bit, but I just wanna show you guys how it looks. So it looks like that. Look how shimmery it is. Literally, it's so amazing. I'm gonna actually put this on my cheeks, but I'm gonna drop it on. And I'm gonna take that and put it on there. Put it on my nose bridge. Put it on my lip. And I'm gonna actually take my beauty blender so it like goes into my skin. See that highlight? It's freaking amazing. I'm actually gonna do my bottom mascara. I'm gonna take Boxycharm's Big Tease Mascara again. Now I'm gonna do my tear ducts. I'm gonna be taking the Artist Couture Diamond Luxe Luminizer in Honey Drip. these highlighters are spectacular. They're so amazing. Like, I've been using my Sex Posé, which is this other color that I really love so much every single day, and I thought I would do a golden touch, so I wanted to use the Honey Drip. I'm going to take this tiny Morphe brush, the M515, and I'm going to take that and really pop into my tear ducts. Next, I'm going to add some blush with this Naked Cherry Urban Decay highlight and blush palette. I'm actually going to take this blush color right here, and I'm going to use this brush, Morphe E49. And now I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to be using the Jouer lip liner in the color Fawn. And then I'm gonna take this MAC lipstick. Oh my gosh, this was one of my favorite colors forever and ever, and this is the color Honey Love. I used to wear this every single day for probably, like, I don't know, years. Like a year or two, like, for sure. To make the lips a little bit glossier and pinkier, I'm going to take the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Collection Lip Gloss in the color Peach Tea, and I'm going to gloss up my lips. I love this pink because it's not like overpowering. It kind of just takes that lip to a little pinky look, if you know what I mean. And I'm done with my makeup look. To set this whole look, I'm going to take Wander Beauty's Glow Getter Mist, and I'm going to set my face. And I'm all done. I'll be right back. I'm going to change to my outfit and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that's it for my Ariana Grande inspired Thank You Next makeup tutorial. I've been loving the song. Like, seriously, I'm obsessed with it, and that's why I'm literally wearing the sweatshirt tonight. I'm going out. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button below, and also leave a comment below if you guys like this tutorial and if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.
Oh my little honeydew, I wish you saw you the way I do. Lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah.
What's up guys? Heading to LAX, going to New York for New York Fashion Week. Usually I feel like I'm in the car at like 4 a.m. heading